Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. So yesterday's upload, you guys saw me make the base and do all that stuff. The video was going to be a little too long, so I was like, you know what, I'll do a cook with me. That way, you know, the video isn't too long. So today I'm going to be making some meatballs. So what I have in here now is a little bit of Maggi. I have 1 egg, and I put in 1 spoonful of the paste. I'm not going to zoom in on it because it doesn't look appetizing whatsoever. What I'm going to do now is add in my, how many pounds is this? I don't know how many pounds. 1 pound of ground organic ground beef, grass-fed, okay? I am going to put in a tiny bit of this meatloaf, okay? Seasoning. Because I still want it to be a little meatloafy, but not meatloaf. Okay, and if you like today's upload and you want more videos like this, definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because y'all know I'm not good for cooking. Ooh, this is so good. These are Heath cookies from Publix. I need some sugar. Those some good cookies. Ooh. Bring it up. Bring it down. Let's go. Turn it off. Is it charged? Is it on the charger? Turn the camera off, please. I'm gonna mix it really good, get everything all together. The egg is gonna help to bind it. Although I'm not making meatballs, meatloaf, I do want to make some really good meatballs that are gonna probably taste like meatloaf. It's okay. And then I'm gonna make some vegetables, and I'm gonna make some rice. And I think that's it because I'm exhausted. What did I do today? Oh, I have my alarm system installed. Well, it's been installed for a little bit, and I was feeling some type of way about the sensors. So today they came out and added some more sensors on the windows, which I'm happy about. And I paid extra to have, if you see the corner back there, I can take that around the house with me and set my alarm so I can be in the bathroom and I can see the camera upstairs. Now, listen, when I tell you I'm just like super paranoid, and now that I'm by myself, I'm really paranoid because I just don't trust people. The garbage man came the other day, and this is nothing, so don't read into the story that I'm about to tell y'all. But I went to go take my trash out, and it was really early. You know, it was real early, and I had on sweatpants and a shirt, like a hoodie thing or whatever. And the trash man, you know, he's like, "You single?" And it was so early, and I was just like, "What did he just say?" And I had to think so quick on my feet, and I was like, "No," you know, like that. And I went in the house, but I don't know what it is. But if I'm around my area and somebody asks me that, I'm like, you ain't about to come kill me at night. Girl, no. And I'm not saying that he would. I'm just saying, like, that's my thought process. There's a new movie that's out. I don't know the name of it, where the girl, she's giving the guy a ride. And he's like, oh, you must be like an artist or something like that. He's like, why? He's like, oh, well, you have a mansion. He was like, no, I'm a serial killer or something. I was like, Lord, have mercy, kill me now. Because I was just like, I don't watch scary movies. I'm not even a big fan of TV, you know? But I'm like, I don't watch no scary movies. I don't like no murder mysteries. Not no, like, gory, you know, And then the last movie that I can say I watched that made me, like, really cry was probably the one where the little girl was killed by her neighbor. I don't remember the name of it. But when her dad went to the neighbor's house, the rose bush that was dead came red again, and he knew the neighbor had killed his daughter. I was like, I'm done. I'm finished. I'm good. That movie had me crying. And at the end, the spirit of all the girls he killed, I believe they pushed him off the cliff. It took too long. It took too long. They should have pushed him a long time ago. I don't know what the spirits were waiting for, but it took too long for me. I was waiting for him to die a long time ago. Because in the process, he was still going around killing little girls. And I remember he had looked up and the little ice was coming down. And he was looking, and next thing you know, he done slipped. I said, ooh, y'all waited too long to kill this man, honey. Y'all waited too long. But anyway, I'm super scared. I don't watch scary movies. I'm a little scared of the dark, especially when I'm by myself. So I'm sure my house right now is like Fort Knox. I have a camera right there. I got a camera upstairs. I got this thing right here. I got the sensor on the wall. I got the sensor upstairs. He was like, if you don't mind me asking, I said, I'm scary. That's what you need to ask. I'm scary. He was just like, I get it. I said, no, you don't, because if you got it, you wouldn't have asked me. Like, do you mind me asking? Yeah, I already know what you're going to say. I already know. But anyway, y'all, I'm just making these little round balls. I don't want them to be too big because I want them to cook evenly around. So what I like to do is put them in a nonstick pan and allow them to cook really nicely and get color. And then I put them in the oven. And then I put the sauce on them. And then I go ahead and I make my stuff. Because it gives the natural, like the seasoning that I put in there, it's going to naturally create like its own sauce, I guess you can say. The kids love it. I love it. It tastes really good. Really nice and flavorful also. Put a nice little lid on there. Let it steam the rest of its way out. And it's not all like dry. Yeah, this is good. For that little packet of meat, it made a decent amount of meatballs. I mean, I might not have no leftovers, but the kids are already like, you making that now? You making this? You making it? I'm like, I'm gonna leave this glove on right here. You guys, that is the meatballs. Ooh, look, I almost dropped it. Don't drop that da-da-da. Hey, don't drop that da-da-da. Don't drop that da-da-da. Hey, don't drop that da-da-da. Just for you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my all-clad. It is hot. Don't do what I just did. Don't do what I just did. I'm used to cooking. This is hot. But don't do what I just did. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Because y'all not about to make me get in trouble. Because y'all want to act like y'all be cooking for real, for real. Don't do that. Okay? Yes, it's hot. But I've been cooking for a long time. And I feel like my hand is just accustomed to certain temperatures at this point. But all I'm doing is taking the meatballs and I'm adding it into the pan, letting it get really nice and brown. And once it gets nice and brown, it's going to go into the oven with the lid so it can finish cooking the rest of the way. This is probably the worst cooking channel. No measurement. I ain't got no tongs. I ain't got nothing. But y'all asked me to cook. So I'm really just trying, okay? If y'all complain about it, I won't have to cook no more. That'll just do me a favor. I won't cook no more, okay? But I'm really just trying to help y'all, help me to help y'all, okay? I'm gonna let it cook and simmer down. Ooh, don't do that. Y'all, this looks and smells amazing. It looks and smells amazing. I wish I could smell it because it smells amazing. But I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up. Getting all these things out the way.
Can we try it?
Try it?
Yeah.
It ain't even done yet.
It's small, done.
It ain't done.
It's small, done.
It's not done, y'all. Here.
Oh, okay.
Aiden.
Oh, yeah, that's crispy.
It is not crispy.
Not crispy. Mac and cheese.
That's enough. Thank you. Get my fork. Get out my kitchen. No, Get out my kitchen. When I get done cooking, y'all can eat. So I was like, you said, can you get a taste? That was a taste, honey. That was a whole taste. You don't need nothing else. All right, y'all. I'm gonna make some rice and beans. Just rinse my pot. This is the Casanova pot. If you guys are interested, they're the stackables. Red beans. So I can make red beans and rice. Oh, my seasoning. Woo! I'm gonna use the rest of this that I use. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The rest of my Maggi. Drop that in there for the rice. All right, and I'm gonna just drop the can of beans in there. Y'all see that? It's gonna make a nice, the rice is not gonna be white anymore. It's gonna be a really pretty color. That tastes really good. Alright, you guys, here we go. It's been a long time since I've actually done like a cook with me, but this meal turned out really good. And it's the first meal in my house, y'all. Look at that. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Is it good?
Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome.